Hi, I'm Chuck Joss. My favorite floor plan is the 184 BS Jayco J-Flight. Great family floor plan, queen bed up front, a dinette that sits 4 in the slide out room, bunk beds and a nice bathroom in the back. And this year they put in a 6 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer inside, loaded with roof air, ready for family fun and small enough you can take it anywhere.
Bonjour, my name is Charlie Roy. This is my favorite floor plan. It's a Jayco 21 footer with double axle and with a rock around bed. So let's go inside and check it out. Yeah, another nice feature about this one, this is the rear living with lots of window and a couch on a 21 footer. And again, this is our walk around bed, and please ask for me if you really like that floor plan. I'm here to help.
Hey guys, my name's Randy here at Valley RV Supercenter. I'm the sales manager. This is my favorite Jayco on our lot. Because of our such low prices here, this is really all I can afford. Anyhow, take care, have a nice day. Let's go, guys. Faster.
Hi guys, my name is Amelia here at Valley RV Supercenter. My favorite floor plan with the Jayco is the 27 RV. And the reason that I like this one is because of the big bathroom in the rear and the huge open floor plan.
Hi guys, Nick Nonan with Valley RV Supercenter in Kent, Washington. Just wanted to show you my favorite unit. This is our White Hawk Series 29BH. This is going to be the biggest people sleeper that you can get and tow with most standardized pickup trucks. You're going to come in right under about 8,000 pounds with this. You can comfortably sleep 8 throughout. Again, you're going to have 2 double bunks rated at 600 pounds. You've got a full bedroom with a walk-in closet up front. This U-shaped dinette does convert to a bed, as well as a couch that pulls out into a bed as well. You're gonna have a fireplace, full TV, ducted air conditioning. This thing has everything. Hopefully you come down and see it, and you'll see what I see in it.
Hey guys, my name's Austin. My favorite floor plan here is the Eagle 294 CKBS. As you can see in the back here, you have a nice open living space and a nice kitchen with a kitchen island here. And let me show you up front. My favorite part is up front here, where you have an east-west bed where you have walk-around space both sides, along with a huge storage area up front that goes along the whole front.
Hey, I'm Ian from Valley RV Supercenter. This is the 382 and it's my favorite floor plan because it has a huge front living and entertainment center.
Hey guys, Derek, Valley RV Supercenter. The 34G Precept is my favorite floor plan. Awesome rig, lots of beds, full wall slide, solid surface countertops, fireplace. Goes anywhere you want. You can spend some serious time in this without getting the cabin fever. It's killer rig.